Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel The Vex, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to add two numbers in a C++ program. And you might be probably thinking that why I just named this video as adding two things in C++ instead of writing adding two numbers in C++. Well, there is a silly reason behind that, and the reason is I just found it funny, and that is why I just added this name. Okay, uh, whatever. Now, the main thing is trending in this world is right now is the coronavirus, right? But before I just starting this, I just want to tell you that about coronavirus, which is really important to you guys. I've even mentioned these in the previous video, and also I'll be uploading, and whenever I'll be uploading any video on any content, I'll be saying in the first minutes about this thing because this is really important to us now. Right now, there has been casualties more than 50,000 or something, and infected are around 12 lakhs or something more than that. Well, that's really sad. So, what we are actually doing? Yeah, we are obeying to the government rules, right? What the government says, we are just obeying that, and that's really good. And if you don't do that, you're gonna face problems because that virus is gonna attack you whenever you just go outside to the world or somewhere. It's gonna attack your lungs first and make its way to your lungs and infect you. And in order to prevent this virus, we can do one thing, and that is to stay at home and be safe. Stay at home and be safe. And by staying at home, you can watch your television. I think most of the people watching this video or watching the YouTube are regretting the TV now, but the TV era has again lightened up. Many people in the world now again watching those old you know old channels and old videos, right? So they are rewinding that generation. And also, for this coronavirus lockdown, the earth is moving really slow, which is a good sign to us. And for that reason, earthquakes occur very less. So that's a really positive sign. And the thing I wanted to advise to you all guys watching them on videos, or whatever you are doing with me, that please wash your hands, which is the first and foremost thing you must do is to wash your hands in this way or any other way for 20 seconds, okay? For 20 seconds frequently, okay? That is the first and foremost point. And the second point is that eat hot steaming food or hot liquid, okay? Which is also an important part of this thing to break the chain of corona. Hot things because this virus creates a mucus in the lungs, which is really bad for us. And to break that mucus, we must take hot steaming food or hot liquids. And the third thing is that wear masks whenever you are outside. Wear masks so that you could protect yourself from getting from this virus. And the fourth thing is that just stay at home. Whatever I just told, just stay at home, which is really important. Just stay at home, do whatever you like. You can develop your new hobbies and watch videos, because I'm gonna be uploading everyday videos on C++ now from now onwards, and I've posted one in yesterday or something. Yes, I posted your first programming C++. You can watch it there in this card over here. Just click on this card, you'll be watching that, and yeah, that's it. And I know this is a pretty this is gonna be really pretty long video, so I'm not gonna be making more longer now. So let's start with C++ coding to add two numbers. Okay, let's start with this. Let's start with this. Just as to just as for coding, to write anything, C++ programs, you need to open a text editor. For example, since I'm in Linux, I'm using the text editor, default text editor. You can choose Atom, or you can use Visual Studio Code. It's your choice. My choice is text editor, which is named as Z. You can search in. Okay, the name is Z. Okay. And before coding, just go to this bottom and you'll be seeing plain text, which is in which you will finding the drop down or drop up menu, and you'll be selecting C++. As what it does, it actually highlights these statements in color. So you'll be seeing that. Let me write something here. Okay, include IO stream. See, the color has changed. If you chose plain text, the default one, then it won't be highlighting anything. It's just a plain text. So choose C++ as we are writing C++ program, and go on using namespace city. Go on copying my code. You can just copy my code, and yeah, you can write it. And let's do this. To add two numbers, we'll be needing three variables. Okay. Oh, 1 minute, one sec. And also, some of you might be thinking that what does these mean? Okay, well, these are called statements. Okay. And I've even told you in the previous video, okay, to that I'll be making another video explaining these statements, what they mean. So I'll be posting another video on these whole bunch of statements, what they mean, and the mechanism of them. So don't worry about that. I'll be explaining all of them in that video. But for now, just go on with this, copying this code, and yeah, see your desired result. So now we will be using three variables. Okay, just remember that for adding two numbers, we will be using three variables, which will be integer values. Okay, for values will be x, y, and z. Okay. And just as to terminate this line, which is a statement, we use semicolon, as I've even told in the previous video. Check up there. And now, what we will be doing, we will be showing a message to the user that enter positive integer. Yes. Okay, two positive integers, right? Okay, two. Okay, I'm getting confused now. Okay, have you seen this? This is a really bad bug out here in my computer. If you got any solution for this, just comment me in the comment section below for this bug, okay? If anyone knows how to fix this bug, okay? Oh, so please help me for this bug. I'm really annoyed with this bug now. See this blinking up there? Okay, two positive. Enter positive two. What? It doesn't mean anything. Enter two positive integers rather. Okay, it's my bad. Okay. Positive. What? Oh my god, what I'm doing. I'm really going crazy now. Oh my god, what the hell I'm doing? Where's the cursor? Oh, this is the another problem I'm having. This is the another bug I'm saying. So, if you got any fix for this, please comment this thing in my comment section below, okay? Oh my god. Now, I'll be... Now the processing... the... Okay. We all know input processing output, which is the main term, which is the basic thing in computer science. So this is the input, okay, for inputting, for input processing. We will be taking input from the user, right? So to take input from the user, we will be using two variables from these three. You might pick any one of them, any two of them. I'll be picking X and Y. So I've finished with input, and it's now processing part, which is we'll be instructing the computer or the compiler to calculate, that is to add these two numbers and store this, add this value, added value of these two numbers in the memory location of Z, okay? So that's it. Now X plus Y, okay, X plus Y, that's it. And this is called processing part. And the statement I'll be writing now is the output part, okay? Now see out, the summation is, okay, Z. Since the value is stored in this variable, so I'll be displaying this Z, and it will be, the summation will be displayed. And just as to close the program, you'll be needing to write return 0, which is the a statement, return 0, and that's it. That's the program we needed now. And the thing is now to save it. So I'm gonna be saving in my desktop. Here you can choose the locations. In this section I'll be choosing the desktop section, and by naming it as add.cpp. This is the name of that C++ program, and always save C++ programs in .cpp extension. So everything is done with save as, and now I can just save it. I'm gonna click it here, or you can even click enter. For now I'll be clicking this, and the file is saved. Okay, now the time has come to compile the file. So to compile the file, you need to open the terminal. So for that, open the terminal. And if you open the terminal, you'll be seeing that this is the directory of your home, right? I'm sorry for this. So since you have saved your file in desktop, okay, let me find my my file. So here it is. the file add.cpp, as I've saved this file in my desktop. So I'll be changing my directory to desktop. So this is it. And to change the directory, just type cd and the desired name of the directory, and press enter, and that's simple. And also you can do one thing. You don't know how to do this, and you don't and also if you don't want to do it manually, you can just do this one. Click wherever you are, in whatever directory you are, and right click on this and click open in terminal, this one, and it will open the terminal with the desired directory where you are. So that's it, and let's now compile the file. And the compiling means it will check the file that it is correct or not, and that's it. So g++ minus o and add, no, I'm gonna yes, and add dot cpp, and that's it. So and also I can't explain these one because this is a little bit, unexplainable for this moment. I'll be explaining in later videos, but for now I'll be explaining these, what they mean. So we have created, we want to tell the compiler that we will be creating a file named add of this add.cpp, which is, and this one is the source code and this is the object code, and we will be running this object code by using the terminal. So press enter, and it's now checking that is there any errors or not, and it has successfully checked that there is no error in the program. So you can run the program now. To run the program, type this dot / and the name you have given. You can name it anything you want. Just remember that you can just give only names to it, or you can even just add numbers to it. It's your wish how you add it. Just experiment with that. I've named it as add, and I can run it now and press enter. See, enter 2 positive numbers, and this is what it just displays. First it displays this one, and the next one it displays this. Okay, let's enter 2 positive numbers, 2 and 3. Okay, and always give space if you're entering 2 things on the input in the processing part, processing part, then give a space to it, or otherwise the compiler will be thinking that you are entering a digit. For example, I want to add 2 and 3, but you have given 23, the compiler will think that it is 23. Okay, so I want to add 2 and 3, give it a space and enter. The summation is 5. See? And that's it. So you have added, so you have made a program. So you have made a program that adds 2 numbers in just a second. So congratulations if you have done that. And keep practicing these programs so that you could develop more programs in the future, and it will be really helpful in the future, because this is the most important part in programming, which is to add 2 numbers. Even I've started to understand C++ programming with this code, so think about it and start coding with yourself. So now this is it for today, and I hope that this video makes sense to you, and thank you guys for watching. And also watch my previous videos up here. You can just I've given a link to this here or here. Watch them and enjoy them. Thank you guys for watching. today. And also, wait a minute. I'm not doing anything to this, and you can see in the terminal what is going on here. So this is a bug which is really annoying me for days. So if you have got any fix for that, just comment me in the comment section below. And also, if you have any doubts on this program, please comment down in the comment section below. That's it. It's really that simple. So thank you guys again for watching, and also please, if you have any fix for this, please comment down. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my god, I have to close this one. Bye.